You have lots of questions in your mind, like questions related to general knowledge, science and technology, entertainments, business and finance, and many more, which you can ask to different people based on their field of expertise. But now we can get answer of all your questions with single chatbot like software application called ChatGPT. So in this video we will learn what is ChatGPT, what are the capabilities of ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT, and we will also see the live example to understand how ChatGPT works. And we will also see the limitations of ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is type of artificial intelligence based language model developed by OpenAI. It is language models that have been pre-trained on large amount of text data and can generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. What are the capabilities of ChatGPT? ChatGPT can do language comprehension. It means it is capable of understanding and processing natural language text input in several languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, and many others. Language generation means it can generate human-like natural language responses. Contextual awareness. It means ChatGPT uses previous parts of the conversation, knowledge acquisitions and retention. ChatGPT has been trained on a large corpus of text data, which it can use to answer questions and generate text. It can also retain information from previous conversation and use it to inform future responses. Task-oriented abilities such as language translation, summarization, sentiment analysis, and others. How to use ChatGPT? So to use the ChatGPT, we will search on Google ChatGPT and you will get the link. When you open the links, you will get try ChatGPT. Straight away you can sign up in the website and create your account. So you will write your email address and click continue and set your password whatever you want and then click continue. Now you are getting the verification email, so you can open your email and verify it. After verifications of your email, you can set your first and last name. Now you have to verify your phone number. Now you enter the code from your mobile. And here you are at the ChatGPT. And now your ChatGPT is ready to give your answers. Now we will see live examples of ChatGPT. So we will see how ChatGPT works. Now we are ready to experiment with the ChatGPT. So we will just ask the simple questions like what is capital of US? And you will get the answers. The capital of United States is Washington DC. So suppose if you are asking one more questions, why? So it's give the answer based on the previous questions. So it's also using the context and according to that it gives the answer. So it says Washington DC was chosen the capital of United States. It was a neutral location, not located in any of the original and blah 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 whatever regions were there. Not only that, ChatGPT can generate the text also. So suppose if I ask write a leave application for me. So ChatGPT able to write the leave applications for me. So it's right, dear managers, I am writing request a leave absence from start date to end date, and reason for my leave is some reasons, and I have ensured that all my pending work is completed and handed over to my colleagues, and I will be available on email for any urgent matters that require my attention. I have also informed my team and have arranged for them to handle any urgent task in my absence. So it writes the nice leave applications for you. Now suppose if I am asking to write essay on pros and cons of an internet. So ChatGPT is able to write the whole essay on internet pros and cons. So it also gives the pros of internet, that is information, communication, entertainment, convenience, and it's also give the cons of internet, that is addiction, cyberbullying, security and privacy, misinformation, and so on. So ChatGPT can create meaningful informations based on your questions. Now suppose I will write one sentence and I say to convert it into Hindi language. So ChatGPT is also capable to translate from English to Hindi and etc. Now I can do the reverse experiment. So I am giving the sentence in Hindi here and say convert to English, and let's see what it gives. So it generates the similar sentence what we have originally taken. Now we are giving some paragraphs and saying ChatGPT to summarize the text. So we will write summarize these two paragraphs in just two sentences, and let's see what happened. And here you can see that is the summarizations of two paragraphs, and you can say summary is quite short and precise. Now we can give some mathematical equations to solve 2x minus 3 is equal to 1. So this is mathematical equations given to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is trying to solve these equations. So it's step by step explaining that first we add 3 in both the sides and we get these equations, and then simplifying we get 2x is equal to 4, and then we are dividing both side by 2 and we are getting x is equal to 2. So not only it gives the answer, but it's also give the sequence of steps how you will reach to the answer. In programming, suppose if I will say write a program to get first 10 prime numbers. So ChatGPT can give the coding also. So you can see here the Python coding for first 10 prime numbers. Not only that, ChatGPT is also giving you how the isPrime functions is built in Python code, and it's also give the answers of this particular Python program. So these are the few examples of ChatGPT. Limitations of ChatGPT: lack of common sense and real world knowledge, bias in training data. ChatGPT is trained on a large corpus of text data which may contain biases that are reflected in its responses. Inability to understand non-textual input such as images or speech. Difficulty in handling complex questions or multi-step tasks. It doesn't give real-time data. So if you ask what is the score of India versus Australia live match, it fails to give answer. So I hope you understand what is ChatGPT is all about. So see you in next video. Till then, bye bye. If you like this video, press like and subscribe the channel and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.